Please subscribe to the channel, press that bell icon, you'll be notified when Kalkine has a new video. Today we're covering AION makes noise with volume gains over 5,900%. Sage here for Kalkine Media. Launched back in 2018, AION is a third-generation blockchain which aims to provide interoperability between different networks, allowing users and developers to create multiple applications. Open Application Network, or OAN, can be accessed through AION Crypto. Besides that, AION can also be used to make the OAN more secure. And with AION on the helm of the core network, the OAN enables the users to execute smart contracts, share and store data between different networks. AION is creating a flutter in the market today with a significant price and volume rally. And although the exact reason for the rally is still unclear, it has registered price gains of 66.38% and volume gains of 5,964.16%. What makes AION so unique? The AION token operates on the delegated Proof of Stake, or DPoS, and Proof of Importance, or POI, consensus. And for the usage of the DPoS, the market participant validates the new blocks, which helps in the creation of new tokens. And unlike the traditional Proof of Work, or POW, consensus, POS consensus offers a more scalable solution by making the number of coins staked a key factor. And having said that, as it still lacks interoperability, it is not able to make it to the mainstream financial system yet. AION in the future aims to create a system where leading banks can adopt it as a mode of payment system. So how can AION fare in the market? CoinMarketCap lists AION at rank 420. Investors would be hoping for a sustained rally in the token, and the AION community too would be working hard to maximise the profit wave created in the market. In conclusion, for now, though it has the right protocols in place to make it a substantial token, market experts haven't been bullish on the token before this significant rally, which is being witnessed today. But it does send out a signal. With the right tokenomics in place, it can further strengthen, and in the next 5 years, it could see a growth of around 140 to 150%. Or more, and that could propel the price to around $200 by 2026. So if you like this information, please like, share, comment on the video below, subscribe to the channel, press that bell icon, you'll be notified when Kalkine has a new video. For more information, regular updates, head to the website, it's kalkinemedia.com. My name's Sage for Kalkine Media.